Hello Artcadets, welcome to my channel where learning art is fun. I'm Sarah and I'd like to tell you a bit about my channel that's been on YouTube for over 18 months now. So there's already over 100 videos to go and check out. I upload 2 new videos a week. On a Tuesday I aim to simplify techniques and things that might seem a bit tricky, so it could be things like drawing fur, drawing hair, or even drawing something shiny or something transparent like glass. Then on a Friday I upload a video that's more to do with putting those tips into practice, and we use popular characters from TV, movies or books. So go and check out some of those videos, give this channel a thumbs up, comment and subscribe, and if there's something that you would like to see me draw that I haven't already done, then please drop a comment in the box below. I'll see you soon. Bye!